The Skoda Slavia Facelift, scheduled for launch in September 2025, is a mid-cycle update aimed to refresh the sedan's appeal in the highly competitive mid-size sedan segment. Skoda aims to build on the success of the current Slavia by introducing subtle yet impactful changes to its design, interior features, and overall package, while keeping the core attributes that make it a popular choice. The facelift is expected to enhance the vehicle's style, comfort, and technological sophistication. On the exterior, the Slavia facelift will showcase refined styling updates that maintain its elegant and sporty character while integrating modern design elements. The front fascia is expected to feature a redesigned bumper, a slightly wider grille with repositioned chrome accents, and possibly new headlamp clusters. Rumors suggest the potential inclusion of connected headlamps, similar to those found in competitors like the Hyundai Verna, adding a contemporary touch. The side profile will remain largely unchanged, retaining the sedan's balanced proportions and clean lines. At the rear, the updates will be subtler, with mildly reprofiled tail lamps and a reworked bumper, though it is unlikely to adopt a connected tail lamp design. These updates aim to give the Slavia a refreshed look without straying too far from its established identity. The interior of the facelifted Slavia is expected to focus on enhancing comfort, technology, and material quality, while the overall layout of the cabin remains familiar. Skoda is likely to introduce minor cosmetic updates, such as new upholstery options, trim finishes, and color schemes. The addition of more advanced technology is also anticipated, potentially including an upgraded infotainment system with a larger touchscreen, improved connectivity options, and an enhanced user interface. Skoda may also include additional comfort features like ventilated seats, a wireless charging pad, and improved climate control systems in higher variants. These changes are intended to elevate the cabin experience and ensure the Slavia remains competitive in its segment. Mechanically, the Slavia facelift will continue to be powered by the same set of engines that have proven reliable and efficient. The 1.0 LTSI turbo petrol engine, producing 115 HP and 178 Nm of torque, will be available with a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. For those seeking more power, the 1.5 LT TSI turbo petrol engine, delivering 150 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque, will be offered with a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed DSG automatic gearbox. Both engines are expected to meet stricter emission norms while maintaining their strong performance and fuel efficiency. Skoda's decision to retain these engines highlights their suitability for a wide range of driving scenarios, from city commutes to highway cruising. The Slavia facelift is expected to continue offering a balanced ride and handling package, with its suspension tuned for comfort and stability. Skoda's focus on safety will remain a priority with the inclusion of features like 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, rear parking sensors, and ISOFIX child seat mounts as standard. Higher variants may include advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, which are becoming increasingly common in the segment to enhance safety and convenience. The Slavia facelift is part of Skoda's broader strategy to refresh its product lineup and maintain its competitive edge in the Indian market. It follows the planned launch of the updated Kushaq SUV, demonstrating the brand's commitment to staying relevant and meeting evolving customer expectations. The facelifted Slavia aims to strengthen its position against rivals like the Honda City, Hyundai Verna, and Maruti Suzuki Ciaz by offering a well-rounded package that combines style, performance, comfort, and technology. In summary, the 2025 Skoda Slavia facelift promises to build on the strengths of the current model while addressing customer feedback and market trends. The 2025 Skoda Slavia facelift is poised to make a strong impression in the mid-size sedan segment with its updated design, enhanced features, and refined performance. Scheduled for launch in September 2025, this mid-cycle update aims to give the Slavia a modern and refreshed appeal, while retaining the qualities that have made it a popular choice among buyers. Skoda has carefully balanced innovation with familiarity, ensuring the facelifted sedan maintains its identity while offering improvements that align with current market trends. Externally, the facelifted Slavia presents a sleeker and more contemporary appearance. The front fascia receives a redesigned bumper, a slightly wider grille with repositioned chrome accents, and new headlamp clusters that may incorporate connected lighting technology, similar to offerings from competitors. These subtle yet effective updates give the sedan a more premium look without compromising its elegant and sporty character. The side profile remains mostly unchanged, preserving the Slavia's clean lines and balanced proportions, while the rear end sees mild adjustments in the tail lamp design and a reworked bumper, creating a refreshed aesthetic that aligns with the car's overall design language. Inside, the facelifted Slavia focuses on elevating the cabin experience. The overall layout remains familiar, providing comfort and ease of use, while new upholstery options, trim finishes, and interior color schemes enhance the premium feel. Technology receives a significant boost with a larger touchscreen infotainment system, improved connectivity, and a more intuitive interface, ensuring that passengers enjoy a seamless digital experience. Higher variants are expected to offer features like ventilated seats, wireless charging, and upgraded climate control systems, adding to the comfort and convenience for both drivers and passengers. Under the hood, the Slavia facelift retains its proven engine options. The 1.0L TSI turbo petrol engine produces 115 horsepower and 178 newton-meters of torque, paired with a 6-speed manual or 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. For enhanced performance, the 1.5L TSI turbo petrol engine delivers 150 horsepower and 250 newton-meters of torque, available with a 6-speed manual or 6-speed DSG automatic gearbox. Both engines are engineered to meet stricter emission standards while maintaining fuel efficiency and reliable performance, making the Slavia suitable for city driving as well as long highway journeys. The facelifted model continues to prioritize ride comfort and handling. Its suspension is tuned for stability and smooth driving, ensuring a balanced experience on various road conditions. Safety remains a core focus, with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, rear parking sensors, and ISOFIX child seat mounts as standard. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS, may be offered in higher variants, enhancing safety and convenience with modern features like lane assist and adaptive cruise control. Strategically, the facelifted Slavia strengthens Skoda's presence in the competitive Indian midsize sedan segment, following the refreshed Kushaq SUV. Competing with rivals such as the Honda City, Hyundai Verna, and Maruti Suzuki Ciaz, it offers a complete package of style, performance, comfort, and technology. The 2025 Skoda Slavia facelift successfully combines modern updates with the core values of the original model, ensuring it remains a compelling option for discerning buyers seeking a premium midsize sedan.